Hello, I'm Levon Hayrapetyam, a business professor at Houston Baptist University. In this short demo, I will demonstrate the first phase of solving the problem described in example 16.1 in your textbook. Here you are trying to find the best advertising schedule. I already opened the template and I kept all input data so we don't have to spend time entering data during this short demo. Our changing cells obviously will be number of ads purchased in each category. And definitely we need to keep track of total cost to make sure that we're not exceeding the budget. So total cost, the formula for total cost will be just sum product of number purchased and unit cost Then we need to calculate the number of people in millions in each group that the ads reach, and we'll do that in this area. So let's start with high income men. So this is the range how many ads will be placed in each category, and this how many people in millions will be reached. So the formula will be sum product again, number of ads, comma, and this. And since ads is name, this is the name of my changing cells, so and the name is always absolute, so I can copy this down for the rest. So in this part, now we have, in these areas we have total exposure in each group, and we have budgeting here. So the model is, simple model is created. What now we'll try to do? We'll try to invoke solver. Let's go to data, solver. And what we'll try is, the goal at this point is to find any solution that meets all of the constraints, any solution. That's why we'll not put any objective. We'll not select any objective in here. And the changing cells will be ads, and the constraints will be ads. I already have one of them. Ads should be more than or equal to minimum ad. This is this constraint. Then we'll add more ads. Number of ads purchased should be less than or equal to minimum ads allowed. Maximum ads allowed, sorry. And then we have two more constraints. Add, total cost cannot exceed the budget. And finally, these are the goals related to exposure. So numbers in this range should be greater than or equal to numbers in this range. So basically we entered all necessary constraints. So minimum constraint in here, maximum constraint in here, budget constraint, and goal constraint. Then we will check this box, which means we are requiring solver to search only with positive numbers for ads. And here we will select simplex method. So when I will click solve, that means I don't have any objective in here specified. That means I'm simply trying to find a solution. Do we have any solution that meets all the constraints? Let's try. Solve. And solver give us this exclamation mark and says solver cannot find the point at which all constraints are satisfied. Okay. So this simply means that the budget which we have is not enough to meet all these three goals simultaneously. So what to do? That's where goal programming comes in, and it will help us to solve the problem. So I will explain this in my next short demo about goal programming. Basically, I will continue this example in the next demo. So this concludes this short demo, and thanks for watching.